Hello, lively gardeners. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make one of my favorite teas. It's oxidant packed, rich in iron, and known to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even boost energy levels naturally. So grab a cup and let's make something earthy, healing, and full of warmth. And as always, I'll be sharing with you how I plant this particular vegetable, how I harvest, and how I make the tea. The vegetable I'm talking about today is beetroot. Beetroot is something that you want to plant in your garden, whether you want to fight fatigue, increase hemoglobin, or just give your body a health boost. You need the beetroot. Beetroot has this deep red pigment known as betalain. Betalain is loaded with essential nutrients like iron, folate, manganese, potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. But what really makes beetroot special is its nitrate content, which plays a major role in improving circulation and oxygen flow throughout the body. Let's talk about the blood building power of beetroot or how beetroot actually boosts blood health. Beetroot is one of the best natural foods to increase hemoglobin levels and support red blood cells production. This is my favorite part, where we get to know what exactly is in the beetroot and how does it help our bodies. Now, beetroot has iron, and this iron is essential for creating red blood cells. Beetroot also has folate or the vitamin B9, which is vital for DNA synthesis and red blood cell formation. Beetroot also has betalains. These are antioxidant pigments that support detoxification and reduce oxidative stress in the blood. Beetroot also has nitrates. So it converts the nitric oxide, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery, especially important for the brain and muscle. In cases of anemia, especially iron deficiency anemia, beetroot juice is often used as a natural remedy. When paired with a vitamin C source like lemon, the body absorbs iron from beetroot more efficiently. I hope to see you grow your own beetroots, and I said grow and not buy because freshly picked produce retains more nutrients than store-bought options, which lose vitamins and minerals over time, especially if they've been sitting on store shelves for a while. The other thing, we all know that by growing your own food, you control the growing conditions. You avoid the harmful pesticides, herbicides, and other chemicals that are commonly used in commercial farming. If you ask me, beetroot is really a superfood because it is touching on almost every part of your body. From your heart, we have seen that it will improve your heart health, and then it goes to the brain. We have seen that it will enhance brain function, and then it goes to the liver. We have seen that it supports liver detoxification. So, beetroot will help flush out toxins from the liver. Then, beetroot also improves stamina and athletic performance. Athletes drink beetroot juice to improve endurance and reduce muscle fatigue. Beetroot also has anti inflammatory properties. So, compounds like betalains reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Beetroot again also aids in digestion. So, it is high in fiber. The beetroot supports healthy digestion and gut bacteria. Then it also supports skin health. The antioxidants in beetroot help fight acne, reduce pigmentation, and give a healthy glow. This is where I show you how I make my beetroot tea recipe, and it's one of the easiest with the simplest ingredients. You'll just need one fresh beetroot and 2 cups of water. I start by boiling my water. As you can see here, it's already boiling. I then proceed to add my peeled and thinly sliced beetroot pieces. If you don't have it fresh, you can also add dried beetroot or beetroot powder. Don't be scared to boil the beetroot just for a few minutes. However, avoid overboiling because you might end up losing some of the nutrients. At this point, I will proceed to strain it and add a bit of honey. You can also add maple syrup just to give it a bit of flavor. There are other optional additions like adding ginger. You can add ginger, you can add a cinnamon stick, you can also add lemon juice. That is all up to you, or you can just keep it as basic as mine. Then there are many ways how you can use the beetroot. You can blend and make a beetroot juice. You can do a beetroot smoothie. You can add them in your salad. Some people cook them, and also other people actually make beetroot powder so that it's easy to add to juices or smoothies. And also I saw somebody who was making a beetroot soda. I tried it, it didn't come out so well, but I'll give it another try. And if I'm successful in it, and then I'll come back and give you the recipe. People with kidney stones or low blood pressure should consult a doctor before using this beetroot. We have seen that beetroot is high in oxalates and nitrates help to lower blood pressure. So if your blood pressure is already low and then you consume this, I don't know what will happen. It could be chaotic. So it is important that you consult with your doctor. Again, I am not a medical doctor. I share information based off of things that I've been told, or things that I've been told by my grandma or my peers, also things that I have researched or seen online, or things that I have done myself. It might not work for everyone, so it is important that you pick what works for you, and if you're not sure, always consult with your doctor. Some people may also notice red or pink urine after eating beetroot. It is no cause for alarm, it is harmless. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried beetroot for your health, what it was, and if it actually worked. Also, if there's something that I didn't mention, please let us know in the comment section. I always say that here we educate each other. It could be a positive effect or even a negative effect. Let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health videos. I'll try to do them every week. And also don't forget, I'm waiting for you to give me a name.